Imagine a world where financial independence isn't a dream, but a reality. Where each dollar you earn has a purpose directed towards a clear, achievable goal. What if we told you that this could be your reality? What if we shared with you a roadmap to save an impressive $10,000 in the year 2023? Intrigued? Of course you are. After all, who wouldn't want the keys to unlocking a brighter financial future? So in today's video, we will demystify the intimidating task of saving money. We'll guide you through a series of proven strategies that have helped countless individuals elevate their financial standing and reach impressive saving milestones. So without further ado, let's get started. Setting a clear goal. Effective financial journeys must begin with a defined saving goal, the essential cornerstone. The precise definition of this goal, saving $10,000, becomes your North Star, directing your actions and choices. You may instill a sense of dedication and urgency by setting a deadline for completing the task. Consider the $10,000 as more than a simple sum of money. It may stand in for a savings account for unanticipated costs, a down payment for a dream house, or startup capital for a company. Your drive and perseverance will increase once you understand the objective's reason. Determine how much you must save each month or each week by breaking the $10,000 into smaller goals. With each milestone achieved, this divide helps to make the once overwhelming job more doable. Moreover, periodically review your savings objective to gauge success and, if necessary, make changes. Due to the dynamic nature of life, you must be adaptable in your thinking. By establishing a specific and worthwhile objective, you can overcome obstacles and start a deliberate financial path towards the desired $10,000 milestone. The second thing you want to do is create a budget. Budgeting is a financial roadmap that makes it easier for you to manage your income and spending. You may find places to cut back and reroute that cash towards your $10,000 saving target by keeping track of where your money is spent. Gather your financial data, including your sources of income, bills, and spending, to get started. Sort your expenditures into necessary and non-essential categories such as rent, groceries, utilities, dining out, and entertainment. Examine your previous expenses to identify trends. Having a thorough understanding of your finances, establish reasonable spending caps for each area. Making saving a priority and allot a sizable amount of your salary into it. Look for ways to save money, such as choosing generic products, preparing meals at home, or negotiating prices. Using a budget, you can spot possible traps that prevent you from saving money. Understanding your spending patterns can help you make deliberate choices to keep you on track and prevent impulsive purchases. Keeping to a budget doesn't mean completely depriving yourself. Instead, it means balancing living life to the fullest and achieving your financial goals. Cutting costs is important, but increasing your income can hasten the process of reaching your savings target. Several efficient strategies exist to raise your revenue without sacrificing your ability to manage work and life. First, look for part-time jobs or freelancing options that fit with your hobbies and talents. Numerous sites now provide freelancing possibilities in industries like writing, graphic design, and web development, and more as the gig economy grows. Second, you could make money off of your interests or skills. There may be a market for your abilities that may provide additional revenue, whether in photography, crafting, coaching, or playing an instrument. Thirdly, purge your house of clutter and sell everything you no longer require. Online marketplaces provide a quick option to sell your unwanted items for cash. Moreover, improving your education or talents might open up better paying career options. You may enhance your total profits by diversifying your sources of income, while also providing a safety net for when things become tough financially. Remember to balance working more hours and looking after your health to achieve sustained financial growth. Number 4. Automate your savings. This is setting up a method to move specified amount of money automatically and routinely from your primary checking account into a different savings account without any deliberate action on your side. By automating your savings, you may reduce the temptation to spend the money before it reaches your savings account. It assists you in forming a dependable savings routine and elevates savings to a priority in your financial life. Consider it a pledge for your future financial security. The fact that this technique saves automatically on a schedule you establish relieves you of the responsibility of remembering to save each month. As they say, out of sight, out of mind. You'll get the money you hold. These little ongoing payments will amass substantially over time. Automating your savings makes saving easier, keeps you on track, and gets you closer to reaching your $10,000 target without experiencing financial hardship. It's a straightforward yet effective method for integrating savings into your financial path. Number 5. Use windfalls wisely. Unexpected financial infusions or windfalls can be tax refunds, employment bonuses, inheritances, or even presents. Treating yourself to a luxury purchase or indulging in something excessive when you have unexpectedly got the money can be very tempting. The true potential, though, is in carefully boosting your savings with these windfalls. When you get a windfall, pause to consider your financial objectives and refrain from reckless spending. Consider putting a sizable chunk of the entire windfall into your savings account. Accept that this unexpected cash might help you secure your financial future rather than just granting you short-term pleasure. Utilizing windfalls to strengthen your savings and use them as a powerful force, you'll find yourself far closer to your goal than anticipated. Moreover, adopting this responsible approach to windfalls strengthens the practice of sound money management and creates the foundation for continuing success on your road to financial independence. Next, take advantage of discounts and deals. If you know where to look, there are plenty of ways to save in today's consumer-driven society. Developing wise buying habits can significantly influence your ability to save money. Before making any online purchases, start by searching the web for online coupons and deals. Moreover, subscribe to newsletters or follow your preferred retailer on social media to get updates about flash sales and one-time discounts. Offline, feel free to haggle over costs, especially when buying a big-ticket item. If you're a repeat client or there are other deals available, some merchants could be willing to give you a discount. Develop your negotiating abilities and the savings can be pleasantly surprising for you. Finally, think about utilizing rewards or rebate programs. Many credit card and online retailers give back money to customers through cashback or loyalty points that can be exchanged for deals or gift cards. Remember, every penny matters and practicing thrifty habits will help you achieve your financial goals. 7. Negotiate bills and subscriptions. We frequently find ourselves saddled with recurring fees and subscriptions that might drain out our bank accounts in today's world of ever-rising costs. But many people need to realize that these prices are frequently adjustable, and a little discussion may result in significant savings. Start by examining your recurrent expenses such as gym memberships, utilities, internet, cable, and insurance. Look at local discounts and market pricing for services of a comparable nature. Call each provider with this knowledge and let them know you want to save costs. Behold, and highlight any competing offers that you've seen elsewhere while remaining courteous yet forceful. Providers are frequently eager to provide you with an extraordinary offer or discount or even loyalty rewards to keep you as a client. Moreover, if you've been a consistent, devoted customer, discussing your relationship with the business in the past might be advantageous for you. Remember that the worst that may happen is that they may say no, but the effort can be well worth it given the possible savings. Number 8. Avoid high-interest debt. Having high-interest debts like credit card bills make it very difficult to reach your savings target. These loans frequently have high annual percentage rates, which make the total you owe increase quickly over time. Prioritizing paying off these high-interest bills as soon as possible may help you make considerable progress towards your $10,000 savings goal. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche strategy to attack your debt systematically. The debt snowball strategy calls for making minimum payments on all debts while paying off the smallest balance first. Once the lowest balance has been paid off, go to the next smallest one to build momentum. The debt avalanche approach, in contrast, concentrates on paying off loans with high interest rates first, thus saving you more money. You'll be able to grow your savings by getting rid of high interest debt, which will also relieve you of pressure of increasing interest payments. Redirect the funds you've spent for expenses towards your savings account as you pay off these debts. Lastly, stay committed and accountable. It's critical to stay on track despite any challenges or temptations, since saving a considerable sum of money takes consistency and devotion over time. It's all because financial self-discipline requires endurance, not speed. Celebrate each step towards saving your money journey to keep yourself inspired and prevent discouragement. Recognize your success, whether getting to 1,000 or significantly lowering your debt. Your success depends critically on accountability. Be adaptable in how you proceed, because life is erratic. Unforeseen bills occasionally occur. Keep sight of your ultimate objective. Be ready to modify your spending and saving strategy as necessary. Imagine receiving the benefit of saving $10,000. It will be easier for you to stay dedicated and focused if you clearly understand why you are making the efforts. Whether it be to save for an emergency, go on a dream trip, or invest in your future, keep in mind that developing financial discipline is a skill that takes practice. Even while the rate of advancement initially looks slow, each action moves you closer to your goal. Simply maintain your resolve, keep moving forward, and allow consistency to be the key to your financial success. So what do you think about these easy steps? From the different steps, are you more confident to start your own saving journey now? Comment down below. And now, before we wrap it up, you'll unlock a world of financial wisdom in my latest video collection by subscribing. And if you're seeking an effortless way to take control of your finances, check out the description below, where I've stashed the key to your financial success, my monthly budget trackers. These gems will revolutionize how you manage your money, making budgeting a breeze. Hit the subscribe button to embark on this exciting journey with us, and don't forget to explore the financial trackers that'll surely earn you appreciation from your wallet and your future self.